Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. Up first, nothing. We don't have anything new for you today, but we do want to say Merry Christmas. Thank you for a wonderful year. You guys are such loyal customers, and we are so grateful that you make our little shop chug right along. So we will not have Fresh and Fab next week, as it will be like Christmas Day / day after Christmas. But we will be back the following week. So we just want to let you know a couple of things. Our holiday hours on the 23rd, Tuesday the 23rd, we're going to be open 10 until noon only. And then
get your gift cards.
Get your gift cards. Yes, that's right. Get your gift cards. And then we will be closed and not reopen until Friday, January 2nd. So keep that in mind. If you need any last minute gifts, if you have a quilt or a local pickup here, do that. Shipping might be a little bit delayed in those times because obviously we'll be home for a few days hanging out with the kids and enjoying their break as well. We're excited for the new things coming in 2026 that we're going to be working on, and all the beautiful fabric lines coming. So thank you again for a great year. Merry Christmas, and no Fab Stash, no Tuesday show, no Thursday show until January 4th, 2026 is our first Fab Stash show of the year. So join us then at 3 p.m. Until then, Merry Christmas, stay safe and healthy, and happy quilting. Bye.